Do it again.
What am I going to do with you? You are a rascal. You are a little show-off. Yes, you are.
Do it again.
Can you pant for Grandma so she can see it on camera? Pant for Grandma. But much of the land he grew up on is gone. So, got that kid. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. I'll get you by the feet. I'll get your Piggly Wigglies. You are something else. You are a little.
At today's prices in the Napa Valley, the Page's land could easily be worth $8 million. You're wealthy, right? But it's all in the dirt. You know, we're dirt rich, cash poor. For the Pages, more than money is at stake.
Hi. Yeah, I'm still. Hi.
She scooches around on her butt to get to where she needs to go.
Whoa! Slid along.
Hi.
Grandma's taking your picture.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Grandma's taking your picture.